So so just like AirPods, Apple Watch is a monopoly abhi. Like, let's be honest, there is no better watch than that. And so now there is a little watch faces and stuff. I mean, I'm just getting those basic stuff out of the way. Watch faces, and you can share watch faces, you can create watch faces, and even developers can create watch faces. And watch faces, but there is this stuff that is really boring.
Okay.
But now the Apple Watch can track dances. And dance, okay, so I don't think people realize this. Yeah, dances. So dance is a really hard thing to track because a lot of stuff is moving at the same time. Your hands are moving, your legs are moving, and the motion is uncoordinated to a machine. It might be coordinated to us, but it is uncoordinated to a machine. So detecting dance is pretty hard. And so while they were delivering this keynote, I was like, okay, बस उसको ऊपर का motion समझेगा because it's just on one hand. But nahi, it can detect the entire body ka motion with acceleration and different stuff. So it can track your entire legs wala motion and haath wala motion.
Just I thought it would like communicate with the phone in your pocket and then.
No. You just have to put your watch on your hand and it will do everything.
Damn.
That's the power. I mean, okay, so the reason all these features are amazing is because everyone has the sensor. It's like everyone has a watch.
Yeah.
The sensors are there. It's just how you use the incoming data. That's what matters काफी ज़्यादा.
That's right. That's the only difference.
And these guys have done a really great job. Yeah, exactly. Software can take from MI ka watch to an Apple Watch because they both have practically the same sensors in it.
Exactly. That's right.
So it's fascinating what these guys have done with the software. And finally, okay, so before going to the main features, this is like the small feature they included, and it was really funny, and my mom has a comment on it. So the feature was this: if you start washing your hands and if you have your Apple Watch on, it can detect the hand washing ka motion. And so it will turn on its microphone to listen for the pani wala sound and the soap ka swishing sound to confirm that are you actually washing your hands. And if it detects all that, it will start a 20 seconds ka timer. And if you leave before that, it will urge you to wash your hands for the baki wala time.
Okay.
And I was like, and मैं ये देख रहा keynote देख रहा, so I'm hyped up. I'm like, oh my god, क्या amazing feature! I need this in everything. And then I told my mom, so okay, oh my god, look at what these guys have done. And she's like, now you need a watch to wash your hands for 20 minutes. Are you kidding me? I'm like, yeah, I don't need it, but I mean, it's like a lot of stuff in here.
Since day one.
Yeah, exactly. It's not something we need, but it's like amazing to have.
It's amazing.
And all this can be done with one software update.
Too good. Seriously too good. Quarantine led to some good things, guys.
Yeah, exactly. And the final big feature is sleep tracking. So I was a bit shocked when I realized this कि Apple Watch never had a sleep tracking or a feature like.
Same.
I never thought it. Yeah, I was surprised. And okay, मेरे को अभी नहीं पता चला कि there is no sleep tracking. I found it out a little while back, and I'm like, damn, why not?
It's a very simple example.
Testing for 2 years.
Yeah.
Just testing for 2 years.
Nice.
So there are a lot of features. Sleep tracking might will work with your iPhone to dim down its display, grayscale and stuff, and they called it wind down. That is basically what Android calls it. But great job. And the sleep tracking features are pretty amazing. And